Good morning, good morning, good morning. Woo woo, we're gonna have a good day today. I'm excited to be here today with you. I am the Chief Education Officer with CUE, and it's been my privilege to work side by side with Raina from the birth of this wonderful organization serving the community of Vallejo and Solano County. I have been doing this work for quite some time. So fostering resilience, the overview today, the Center of Urban Excellence has partnered with our wonderful sponsors to provide trauma-informed training through interactive workshops and support. The goal of this partnership is to enhance the practice of community resilience and relationship building among community-based organizations, families, youth, and young adults. Wellness means to me always pivoting to something positive. Throughout the day, things happen, lives, but really being intentional about pausing for gratitude, moments of gratitude, being present, and showing up in a positive way.
More programs for anti-bullying. Also using the technology of the cameras that are in the schools to help with anti-bullying. Also, it seems like we need more than just your quarterly parent-teacher conferences. We need more, maybe weekly, maybe bi-weekly, whatever it is, parent-teacher conferences with the kids present so that everybody's on the same page.
So I got a chance to speak to some really cool students, and so they stated when their coaches or when people call them by their names, actually acknowledging them is really helpful to kind of gather them together.
This study was done by the Center for Study of Social Policy, and it really emphasized on 5 key resilient factors: active listening to amplify the youth voice. The external, internal, and imagined resources are those things that we hold on to as a resource to help us when we get bumped out of those resilient zones or zones of wellness, or when we're triggered or we are experiencing trauma, when we get escalated in our feelings, we can always shift our focus on, again, paying attention to what grows.